I chose to instruct at the Medina County Career Center because I worked in the salon industry for 15 years, so it is really nice to share that with young, inspiring students so then they also can go into having a career working in the salon field.
I chose coming to cosmetology because it's kind of like artsy and sciencey at the same time, and those were both my favorite subjects.
We do everything from hair, skin, and nails, and everything in between.
We've learned skincare like makeup and facials, and then we've done hair care and like shampooing and conditioning.
Chemical relaxer, perming, hair coloring, all the hair coloring techniques.
It interests me to like be able to actually do this stuff. It's not just book work and stuff. You actually can like learn it and then you can do it with your hands.
So Skills USA is our leadership program here at the Career Center. Our program is also involved in that, and our students can compete with their makeup, hair cutting, acrylic nails. My student placed first 3 years ago at Nationals for Skills USA for the skincare competition. We actually have a salon open to the public called Today's Image, and it's open 4 days a week, and we have matrix hair products, we have Redken, we have Aquage, so we try to keep everything trendy. So when the students go out into the field, they are used to working with that. We have the computer system for the students to make appointments. So the students have to do a consultation, they take care of their client, start to finish, and they do real manicures, real pedicures. We have the shellac here, real facials, makeup, hair color, perming. So it is everything that they will get the experience in school. So when they graduate, they will already know how to take care of all those services.
The best thing about this career, you could go into just nails, or you could do just hair cutting or just hair coloring, or you could do a mixture of all of it.
So at the end of their 2 years here, they will be certified in cosmetology so they can go and work in a real salon. If our students went to a private beauty school, that would cost $28,000 roughly in the area. So it's nice that they can get everything done here in high school and graduate with those certifications.
I'm planning on going to business school after I graduate so that I can get a business degree and then also work in a salon while I'm doing that so that I can work up my salon skills and get my business degree at the same time so I can eventually open my own salon.